Okay, we're going to do a purple cube. We're going to do a little bit harder one. Once again, change my sheet size, edit, and I want A as an apple, and then that title block I want to get rid of. Just going to delete that guy. Now I'm going to go to base, and I'm going to point to my purple block. And my purple block is a little bit harder. It's maybe harder than the yellow one, and you can kind of see it there. What I'm actually going to be doing is I want to get a view, remember, from my front down here on the left that makes some sense. I could pick that one, but I've got a hidden line that's not showing. There it is. That's going to be the best one. Now, if I wanted to make this thing bigger, let's try this, just so we can get an idea. Maybe I made that thing 1.5 scale, and you can see it's a little bit bigger, okay? Let's try that and see what it looks like. So I'm going to left click, drag over, left click, drag up to my top view, left click, drag over to ISO, left click, right click, create. And there it is. So now I can go ahead and start dimensioning this guy. So I go to my annotate tab, dimension. Okay, now here is, I'll get my mouse down here. I've got several things, as you well see, going on here, and I want to make sure that I get them all. Okay, so if I did, let's just start here to here. I could pull out. Remember, when it stops, that is the place you want it to offset. You go here to here, same thing, and you saw that dotted line now. Now I can take my overall measurement, and from here to here, and it should stop right there. Yeah, there we go. So now I've got that, and that middle dimension's fine. We know what it should be. And so we have that. Now the next thing we have is this little piece that sticks out, which is right here, and I need to dimension that guy. And I can do that easily enough right here on this side view, just like that. And I could do the whole height real simply too, coming out just past that and dropping that guy in there. So now I have my overall height, 0.75. We know that what dimension's there. The only other dimension that we don't have here is the depth of this, and so real simply I can just take that, come up, boom, and we have that same dimension there. I do not have this depth, do I? I do not. So I could take that same from here to here. Now watch this. Now that's getting in the way of my isometric drawing, and I know that, but what I can do real easily is I can click this guy. See here, get it. No. There we go. And click around on, I can edit view. I can change the scale of just that isometric viewing, and sometimes you got to do that because the isometric, because it's just a little bit larger, doesn't quite fit. And then I'm going to shrink that guy down, and now my dimensions are nice and neat and clear and clean, and I don't have anything to worry about. And that should, I got front to back there on the side. I think I'm fully dimensioned. So there you go. Save, and we'll continue on later.